So I got my concussion during a college water polo game. I was a goalie and the other team had shot and it hit the top bar and came right down on the back of my head. And I immediately lost my vision, though I didn't completely lose consciousness. But I just remember hearing my teammates going, "Can you see? Can you see?" And I'm like, "Yes, of course I can see." And everything was kind of moving in slow motion once I was able to start seeing things again. And my coaches were like, "Are you okay? Do you need to come out?" And I was like, "No, I'm fine. I can stay in." And they pulled me out anyways, which was definitely for the best. And when I got out of the pool, I just immediately collapsed because I had absolutely no sense of balance. And it was very, very apparent right away that I had sustained a pretty serious concussion.